Excavators use hydraulic power to dig and move large amounts of earth and debris. It typically consists of a boom, bucket, and cap for the operator. Combine harvester is used in agriculture to harvest crops such as wheat. It cuts the crop, separates the grain, and collects them into a storage tank. Shredder, the monster under your desk's worst nightmare, devouring papers and documents faster than you can say. I hope nobody sees that embarrassing doodle. Quantum computer, a revolutionary device that harnesses the principles of quantum mechanics to perform complex computations exponentially faster than traditional computers. Computer numerical control, CNC machine, use computerized controls to operate and automate machine tools. It can perform precise cuts, drills, and shaping operations on various materials. Auto tractors can perform various farming tasks such as plowing, seeding, and spraying without human intervention. Agricultural harvesters are specialized machines that automate the process of harvesting crops. Just like cracking corny jokes in the field, precision farming machines employ technologies like global positioning system to optimize agricultural practices. They enable farmers to manage their fields more efficiently, monitor crop conditions, apply fertilizers or pesticides precisely, and conserve resources. Large Hadron Collider, the world's most powerful particle accelerator designed to smash subatomic particles together at high speeds to explore the fundamental building blocks of the universe. CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing system, a revolutionary tool that enables scientists to precisely edit DNA, offering potential breakthroughs in treating genetic diseases, modifying crops, and advancing biotechnology. Auto-packaging machines automate the packaging process by efficiently sorting, filling, sealing, labeling, and palletizing products. They are commonly used in industries. The ultimate gift wrapper that wraps with such speed and finesse, Santa would be envious. Automated guided vehicles are driverless vehicles used for material transportation within factories and warehouses. They follow pre-programmed routes and can handle heavy loads, improving efficiency and reducing the need for manual labor. Precision planters are used to sow seeds with accuracy and consistency, ensuring optimal plant spacing and reducing wastage. They enable efficient planting on a large scale. Robotic milking systems automate the milking process for dairy farms. They identify cows, clean their udders, and attach milking cups, ensuring efficiency and reducing the physical strain on farmers. Particle accelerator, a scientific instrument that accelerates charged particles to high speeds, enabling researchers to study their properties and interactions, leading to discoveries in particle physics and other fields. Seed drill sows seeds in precise rows and depths in agricultural fields, improving planting efficiency. Neural network, a computer system inspired by the human brain, designed to recognize patterns and make predictions by processing vast amounts of data. Poultry egg incubator maintains optimal temperature and humidity conditions to hatch chicken or other poultry eggs. What do you call a chicken operating heavy machinery? A construction expert. Conveyor belt systems transports materials or products along a continuous belt, streamlining production lines. The never-ending treadmill for inanimate objects, making walks seem like a piece of cake. Grain silo storage facility for bulk grains, maintaining optimal conditions to prevent spoilage and pests. Bulldozer pushes and moves large quantities of soil, rocks, and debris, often used in construction and mining. Industrial energy management. Optimization of energy usage in industrial processes to reduce cost and environmental impact. Cotton gin separates cotton fibers from seeds, improving efficiency in the cotton industry. Wood chipper converts tree branches, trunks, and other wood waste into small chips or mulch.